Okay, we're here once again at the Summit Point Jefferson Circuit in the Miata MX-5 Cup Series. I'm starting 6th or 7th. Let's see how this goes after racing the Ferrari.
Green.
Laps remaining, 15. Last lap was incomplete.
On your right. Still there. Still there.
Split 1. Slower 2.1 seconds.
Clear him. Clear. One on the right side. Still there. Clear.
Alright, so that was a fun little start.
Split 2. Slower 1.0 seconds.
Oh, shifting late is fun. Oh, wow.
Split 3. Faster 0.152 seconds. Lap worse by 3.3 seconds. 58.3 seconds. Split 4. Slower 0.2 seconds. Laps remaining, 14. Split 1.
Can't get
Slower
my
0.118 seconds.
My Delta. I need my Delta.
Split 2. Slower 0.2 seconds. Split 3. Faster 0.030 seconds.
I can't get my Delta. That's not good.
Lap worse by 0.5 seconds.
I'm just gonna have to listen.
55.6 seconds. Split 4. Slower 0.2 seconds. Laps remaining, 13. Split 1. Slower 0.3 seconds.
This dude is annoying me.
Split 2. Slower 0.024 seconds.
I'm gonna have to find some time to get around him.
Split 3.
He's keeping me
faster
from getting faster.
0.057 seconds.
Oh, I messed up
Laps
that
remaining,
shift.
12. Lap worse by 0.4 seconds. 55.5 seconds. Split 4. Slower 0.2 seconds. Split 1. Slower 0.116 seconds. Split
Yeah,
2.
I'm taking a different
Slower
route.
0.156 seconds.
Oh, my Delta's not
Split 3.
working. There it is.
0.089 seconds. Laps remaining.
He's trying to protect
11.
that inside, and I'm sitting here following
Lap
him.
worse by 0.5 seconds.
I gotta take a different line.
5.6 seconds. Split 4. Slower 0.3 seconds. Split 1. Slower 0.118 seconds.
Yeah, he's got a different line that's kicking him out past
Split 2.
his time on that.
Slower 0.141 seconds.
Oh my goodness.
Split 3. Slower 1.1 seconds.
Yeah, I usually lose that.
Laps
gotta take a
remaining,
different.
10.
Alright, 10 laps.
Lap worse
I've
by
gotta change
1.6
this.
seconds.
Oh my goodness.
56.7
Alright,
seconds.
stop looking up.
Split 4. Slower 0.3 seconds. Split 1. Slower 0.135 seconds.
I've got to roll my foot on the gas for that.
Split 2. Slower 0.013 seconds.
Man. I should have lost that. Holy.
Split
Man,
3.
I tell you what.
Faster
I've never been able to hold that.
0.035
That's for
seconds.
sure.
Laps remaining, 9.
Almost got a
Lap worse
faster
by
lap.
0.140 seconds. 55.2 seconds.
So,
Split 4. Slower 0.042 seconds. Split 1. Slower 0.122 seconds.
seconds, 2.1 ahead of me.
Split 2. Slower 0.046 seconds.
I'm taking that too. I gotta attack that turn more. Alright, 4-2, so
Split 3.
The dude
Slower
behind me is getting
0.2
further, so
seconds.
he's either messing up or I'm
Laps remaining, 8.
damn, look
Lap
at him
worse
move
by
on that.
0.5 seconds.
2.5, he just kicked out
55.6 seconds.
0.4 on me.
Split 4. Slower 0.184 seconds. Split 1. Slower 0.149 seconds. Split 2. Slower 0.019 seconds.
Okay, so I'm
Split
getting
3.
faster.
Slower 0.051 seconds. Laps remaining, 7. Lap worse by 0.4 seconds. 55.5 seconds. Split 4. Slower 0.2 seconds. Split 1. Slower 0.3 seconds. Split 2. Slower 0.2 seconds.
Keep messing that turn up. That's why
Split 3.
I'm not catching
Slower
up.
0.058 seconds. Laps remaining, 6.
2.8.
Lap
so
worse by
I'm catching up now.
0.6 seconds.
I gotta drive
55.7 seconds.
my line.
Split 4. Slower 0.108 seconds.
That's not it.
Split 1. Slower 0.4 seconds. Split 2. Slower 0.4 seconds.
One second. That's horrible.
Split 3. Slower 0.2 seconds. Laps remaining, 5. Lap worse by 1.3 seconds. 56.3 seconds.
5 laps to go right now.
Split 4. Slower 0.191 seconds. Split 1. Slower 0.2 seconds. Split 2, slower 0.2 seconds.
Did that bad.
Split 3, slower 0.142 seconds. Laps remaining, 4. Lap worse by 0.9 seconds.
Pointing way too hot there.
56.0 seconds. Split 4, slower 0.3 seconds. Split 1, slower 0.3 seconds.
I'm getting lazy.
Split 2, slower 0.4 seconds.
Don't touch the brake. Alright, so I'm
Split
getting
3,
room with the guys in the
slower
back,
0.180
but I'm not.
seconds. Laps remaining, 3. Lap worse by 1.1 seconds. 56.1
I'm
seconds.
not getting the turns right.
Split 4, slower 0.198 seconds. Split 1, slower 0.2 seconds. Split 2, slower 0.2 seconds. Split 3,
this is where it gets
slower
me every single
0.012 seconds.
Couple more.
Laps remaining, 2. Lap worse
what do I
by
expect out of the
0.8
whole
seconds.
55.9
seconds.
Have a car off to the right.
Split 4, slower 0.3 seconds. Split 1, slower 0.3 seconds.
I saw some smoke. Don't know what that was.
Split 2, slower 0.2 seconds.
Attack it. I mean,
Split
I'm
3,
getting more room
slower 0.2
with the guys in the
seconds.
back, but
White flag this time.
Laps remaining, 1. Lap worse by 1.3 seconds.
I'm not advancing forward
6.3 seconds.
any at all.
Split 4, slower
Oh.
0.4 seconds.
I just realized that was the first place. Dude, I'm in third place now. Hold
Split
on.
1, slower 0.6 seconds. Split 2, slower 0.3 seconds.
It's like the back kicks over when I do that. I mean, I'm not rolling. I'm not rolling the wheel right. I'm
Split
jerking
3,
it.
slower 0.2
Something.
seconds.
This is
Laps remaining, 0. Lap worse by 1.7 seconds. 56.8 seconds.
Check your flag, man.
Split 4, slower 0.4 seconds.
Oh, man. It's a good fight all day.
alright, well. That's a third place finish. Number 5. That was my football number. Third place finish. I mean, hey. Grid starts 6th, finish 3rd. And it was all because of that wreck at the end, I guess you could say. But, yeah, hey, there you go. It was this guy, too, I think. Yeah, him. Third place finish. I stuck it out. I don't think it got any negative points. Third place finish. I mean, these guys were, look at them. I mean, 54. I mean, he would have been placing in front of me, and who's the guy that placed in front of me? Katsuyoshi Kato. Okay. 55-1. I mean, he had a faster qualifying time. I mean, I can't hate that he beat me. I beat that guy. I mean, good race. It was fun, not bad. I beat some of the other people. I mean, some people can lay down a good time, a good lap time, you know, time attack, qualifier. They're good at that, but you got to stay consistent. And that's one thing that is very hard. And I'm actually shocked how consistent I am on this track. It's really shocking. 55, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. 6 is when I was getting lazy, and I even called it. I'm not taking all the turns right, but I took them pretty decent. So 55. I want to get down to 54. That's what I really want to do. But I think that was a good race. wasn't too much. I mean, the very beginning was fun, and I almost lost it. Oh man, let's go back and see that. What lap was that? Was that? What lap was that? I think it was a lap like, I don't know. It's probably this lap because I did a 56. And that's the only slow one that sticks out like a sore thumb. Sorry, I like to check my line out while I'm doing it too. Probably should have waited before I gassed there. Gassed too early. That wasn't that bad, but I didn't do that quite right. Track out. I hate that one. Look at this. Boom, boom. Let's rewind that, because that was, I think it was, you can tell a lot more from inside the car what was going on. I'm not going to lie, I was like, oh man, I'm about to lose it. This is it. This is the end. It's over. I'm going to have to go pit. No more. Let's see, where am I? Yeah, I was about to start lighting it up with curse words, I'll tell you that much. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I did that. I don't know how I survived that. Like, once I had to turn that wheel upside down, like, once I had to do that, I was like, oh, it's over. It's over. I'm going into that wall right there. Right there. It's over. That's what I thought, at least. That bump right there. Boom. That's when I was like, it's over. And I was like, oh. I'm not even gonna lie, I was modulating the gas a little bit differently because I've been in that situation so many times in practice, and some of the other times I was like, okay, well maybe if a little bit more gas, kick it back around, and not just too hard, just a little light. It was just enough for me to make it through that without a scratch. Where is my... I don't see it. What's the gas thing? I don't even know it. Because it's already up for me. Pedals P. Let's see if I can see it now. Stupid keyboard wouldn't work when I needed it to. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna work. Yeah, whatever. But you can't see my feet, so it doesn't make a difference. Look at this. Look at it. Oh, yeah. That's pretty crazy how I got just a 56 on that. Something like that would have put me up to a minute back before. I guess I'm learning the car quite a bit. I've been driving for a couple of weeks now. It's fun. You really gotta learn how to throw the weight around and make sure you don't put too much brake down and stuff like that when you're well, not put too much brake down, but you know, push too hard on the brake, apply too much brake pressure and stuff at these turns, and sometimes it's gotta be half. I don't have my, oh, there it is. I always do about half. Yeah, a little bit of half right there. And it depends on how fast I'm going too. I like the trail brake. Sometimes I shouldn't be doing it, but I'm either jabbing or I'm like really like trail breaking into it. Outs. It depends. It depends on the turn. Dag. So with that said, let's go back. I want to see how I did that because that was crazy. Do that. Oh shit, that's too slow. Gas, turn off, let off a little bit, gas back, and it turns. Shoot, that was too fast for me to even be able to tell. I'm not even gonna lie, it became like, it just, truthfully, I really didn't think. I knew I had to turn the wheel. That was one. Man, I turned it that far. Still got a little bit of gas to try to kick it back. And then I thought I was going to have it. That's why the gassed up. And then, yeah, I just let completely off. Well, do a little bit to try to straighten up. That's what I was trying to get. I was trying to get the point where it would straighten up. I was trying to modulate the gas so that I thought I can get the butt around the right way, but I guess I did. I don't know. That's one of those times where you just don't know how to explain it. You're just like, man, how did I do that? Yeah, that was really fascinating to me because I've never, like, no joke, once I turned that wheel, truthfully, past that 90-degree angle, sometimes we passed that, it's like no return. It's the point of no return for me. Like, nah, you're done, Kenny. Call it a day. Don't get mad. You know it's over. You can't handle the car like that. So I'm actually amazed. Boom, that stupid bump. Because I've run into that wall right there several times. I have been into that wall, man. I think maybe once during a race. In a race, for some reason, this track, I'm like, I don't know, I'm feeling it on this one. Well, not so much. That was a 56 and 55 is okay. 54, that's what I really want to hit. I think people are doing like 53 and 52, so truthfully, I'm not really that fast. I gotta figure out how to attack that turn better. I've seen them gas through that. I don't know how they do it. That was good. I think there's 2 points that should be gas in there, or at least blipping it before. Turn it. There you go. Well, hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry, I kind of get into this a bit much sometimes, and I start really studying my video and stuff. I'm kind of looking at the line and stuff. I did a lot at VIR because that track is close and I can get to it and stuff. So it's actually pretty interesting watching what you do afterwards. Just, that wasn't bad. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna call it for the night on this one. But hey, make sure you smash that like button. And hit subscribe if you want to see some more. I did do a GT race, so make sure to check out that one. It's for our challenge race at Spa Frankenschalks. Yeah, that was a fun race. It was a big wreck, so you definitely got to check that out. It was wild, wow. Like, you think some wrecks happen in these Miata races? This is, well, nothing. I flipped the car 3 times. That was, whoa. And it almost gave me a headache in this VR, so it was pretty realistic is the best way to say it. I'm chasing that bunny. That's what that is. That's a good one. Hey guys, take it easy and catch you next time.